everybody, welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie and today I've got an adorable upcycle centerpiece to share with you. I'm using those Dollar Tree solar lights. Take a look at this cute snowman. We've got Santa. I don't know if I can get these ones to turn on, but these look so cute when it's dark. I'm doing upcycled jars on these with Napkin Decoupage. So if you've got some old mismatched holiday napkins or you're in a napkin swap, this is a really fun project to show off all those cute designs. I'm using Mod Podge gloss because I'm planning on using these indoors, but if you wanted them for outdoors, you could seal them with Mod Podge outdoor formula. All right, let's dive right into this adorable craft. I'm starting with some recycled jars and those lights, those solar lights from the Dollar Tree. I'm using some floral foam, and the first thing I'm going to do is fill my jar with the floral foam. Now I should say that I washed all my jars and removed all the labels. I'm trimming my floral foam down to size. This is going to give the jar a little bit of weight, but it will really hold that light in place. So just trim it down to size, and then we're going to press it into the jar and fill it up. You may have to piece together some of the pieces for your taller jars. Next, we're going to paint the whole thing with Folk Art Home Decor chalk. This is going to be in a light color like white so that all of the colors of the napkin pop through. To prep your napkin, you're just going to separate the plies of the napkin. We're only using that top printed ply. You can use Mod Podge Gloss or Mod Podge Outdoor for this project. You're just going to coat the jar with the Mod Podge, and you're only working in sections. I just like to do the front section first and then place your napkin on top of there. I'm smoothing with my fingers and my brush with just a little bit of Mod Podge on my brush, really working it around that top edge and the bottom edge. Again, I'm just doing this in sections with the front section first. And then once the front section is dry, I will flip it over and piece together with the other pieces. So the front section's dry, and now I'm going to wrap it around to the back side. I'm adding more Mod Podge and bringing that napkin around. I'm using my fingers to press it down and to really get through those curves. Go ahead and add more Mod Podge, and then you're going to wrap the other side around. You will have a seam in the back. I like to keep the napkin a little bit large to begin with, and then I trim away when I know the exact measurement for the seam. Seal up that seam with a little bit more Mod Podge, and then you can let it dry for a minute, or you can move on to the tops and bottoms. For the bottoms, I like to make sure that I remove any of the extra bulk, and then I Mod Podge that to the bottom. And for this project, for the top, you really just need to seal that down, trim away any extra, and seal that top. Then you can seal the whole thing with more Mod Podge. And once it's dry, you're going to be ready to add your lights. So for these lights, you pull that little tab, and you can see that they are solar powered. I have them charged and ready to go. I'm just pushing it right into that floral foam. And then you can finish these off as many different ways as you want. I'm using hot glue and some tinsel that I had on hand. I'm using some green tinsel, some white, and some gold. You could add ribbons, charms, even small ornaments, whatever you want. I just love how these turn out. They're going to be so cute for our holiday party. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I hope you love these cute little centerpieces just as much as I do. Again, I use the Mod Podge gloss here, but if you want to do an outdoor formula, that works too. Just charge your lights in the daytime and then they will last all night long. These are so cute and so simple to do, and what a fun impact. I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you, and until then, have a super crafty week and happy holidays.